The 5-minute workout system. This is the biggest game changer right here. Instead of trying to squeeze in an hour-long workout, you'll do these 5-minute sessions per day, morning, afternoon, and evening. Simple, short, and effective. Set a timer. Something before breakfast, something around lunchtime, something around dinner time. You've already lost some weight, but the last 10 to 15 pounds, they're stubborn. No matter what you do, they won't budge. And let's be real. Between work, kids, and everything else, who has time for long workouts and strict diets? But what if I told you that you don't need a gym, long workouts, or extreme dieting to finally get rid of that weight for good and keep it off indefinitely? In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step blueprint that fits into your busy life. No gym, no unrealistic meal plans, just small, simple habits that actually work. And if you stick around, I'll show you exactly how my clients and I have made it a daily part of our lives. Those small micro habits and how you build them. Here's the truth about losing the last 10 to 15 pounds. If you're a busy parent, you are likely making these 3 mistakes. Mistake number 1, relying on intense workouts that you can't keep up with. You push yourself hard for a week or 2, but then life happens. You miss a workout, and before you know it, you're back to square one. What's the problem with that? You're trying to fit fitness into your life instead of making it fit around your life. You have to make it come to you. Mistake number 2, overcomplicating nutrition. You start another diet, cutting out everything you love, but then the cravings hit and you're stuck in the same cycle. Instead, I'll show you a protein plus fiber rule that helps you burn fat without tracking every bite. Mistake number 3, relying on willpower instead of habit stacking. Motivation comes and goes, but habits stick. So here's the Fit for Life blueprint right here. Here's the 3-step system that's helped busy parents like you lose the last 10 to 15 pounds and keep it off without spending hours working out or obsessing over food. Step 1, the 5-minute workout system. This is the biggest game changer right here. Instead of trying to squeeze in an hour-long workout, you'll do these 5-minute sessions per day, morning, afternoon, and evening. Simple, short, and effective. Set a timer. Something before breakfast, something around lunchtime, something around dinner time. 1-minute rounds, squats, push-ups, plank, basics. You can never go wrong with the basics, okay? So you do those, that makes 3 minutes. Then you top it all off and round out the 5 minutes by doing another round of each exercise, each 40 seconds in length this time around. Okay. If you want to do the same exercises, you can, or you could tweak them a little bit. Say you want to change it up for the second and do jump squats, close grip, push-ups, bicycle crunches. Okay. You could change it up, make these little tweaks, or you can keep it the same. Okay, whatever works best for you. There's no right answers. The only rule you need to abide by when it comes to exercise is to make sure you don't get hurt. You know your body better than anyone else. If you could commit to just 5 minutes, 3 times per day, you'll see more results than struggling to fit in long workouts inconsistently. Step 2, the non-diet fat loss approach. Okay, no complicated meal plans, no tracking every calorie, just small, smart swaps. And here's the protein plus fiber rule I mentioned earlier. Every meal should have a lean protein plus fiber. That's chicken. You gotta have your lean proteins, chicken plus veggies, eggs, avocado. Don't ban, replace method. Swap soda out for sparkling water. Okay. Swap ice cream for Greek yogurt with honey. All right. You could always swap things out. It doesn't have to be a cold drop. You don't have to drop everything cold turkey. These small changes add up fast, and you won't feel like you're missing out. It's all about sustainability, guys. The habit stacking trick to making it stick. Now, this is step 3. Okay. The easiest way to stay consistent is to attach your workouts and nutrition habits to things you already do, aka habit stacking. All right, any Atomic Habits fans out there? Okay, so 5-minute workout. You want to do a 5-minute workout? Do it before your morning coffee. Okay, do it. Make it a part of something you already do. Don't go out of your way to do it. If you want a healthy snack, keep it next to your kid's lunchbox. Okay, so you grab it when packing their food. All right, put it somewhere you already go. More water. You need to drink more water to maintain or to help you stay more hydrated, because that's got a plethora of benefits as well. Drink a glass before every meal. It reduces the cravings because it fills you up. It reduces that satiety. I never know how to say it. Okay, that's the feeling of feeling full. Okay, so these are all little hacks you could use. These simple habits make fitness automatic. It puts it on autopilot. This is what I preach every single day. You don't have to find time for it, okay? It'll come to you. So if you want proof this works, just watch my videos that I make in my 5 and 15 series. Okay, so 5 and 15, that's 5-minute workouts on my 15-minute break. I do it at the back of my work truck. I bring it to me. So this method has helped a handful of busy parents, actually dozens of them. All right, I've been a NASM certified personal trainer for about 10 years now without burnout, and you could do it too. Okay, so what do you do now then? Here's what you do. Download my free 7-day challenge inside my own app. Okay, it's available for download now in the Google and Apple stores, and it's all inside my app. All the workouts are all set, all ready for you to do. I took the guesswork all out of them. All you have to do is show up, especially if you don't know what to do, if you think you don't have time, if you don't have any equipment. All right, none of that's required. I provide all that for you. All you need to do is show up and follow my lead. It's designed to help you start your 5-minute fitness habit today. Every week, I drop fast and effective workouts, fat loss tips, real-world fitness strategies that fit into your life seamlessly. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Imagine where you'll be 6 weeks from now if you start today. Let's make fitness a habit, not a struggle. Click the link below, and I'll see you in the challenge. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like so I could share this video to more people who need to see it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Hey, thanks so much for watching, everybody. If you want to see another video, click the video right here. See you in the next one.